This
So
conference will
today
now be
class we are
recorded.
going to discuss about method. So I think we have completed five methods now. So today we will discuss sixth method. So is alphanumeric. So I was taking here ideally. So is alphanumeric means you are taking here India 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes dot is alphanumeric. Okay. So now it will be true. Alphanumeric means it will contain alphabets and digits. If you are giving only alphabets also, so see here now also it is going to return true value. For suppose yes is equal to if you are giving 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give is alphanumeric, it will print. Understood or not? Either it can contain alphabets and digits or it will contain both. Okay, na? So that is all about your is alpha numeric. Okay, at a time you can write down. Just write down. First write. Or shall I explain next one also? Is alpha and is digit. So what is alpha and is digit? So see here. Is alpha means S is equal to India. Okay. S dot is alpha. Okay. If I am giving like this, now it was displaying true. For suppose I was giving here India 1, 2, 3. S dot is alpha, so it is going to return false. Okay, so next I would like to take here ideally. So is it is it in the same way S is equal to I was giving here India, so S dot, so what I have to give here is digit. Okay, so then you are going to give here false. S is equal to if I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. So then S dot is a digit. Now it is going to return true. Okay, na? So like that, you need to check whether it is string contain alphabets or it contain digits or it is a combination of alphanumeric. Okay, na? Write down. Write down the three methods. If completed, tell me. I will scroll it. Examples you can write down here only. No need to write down the examples in the ideally. Okay, write down the same examples. Completed Amma. Completed all the examples. Shall I discuss next methods? Madam, completed all? Hmm? Okay. So next we are going to discuss here ease lower and ease upper. So we will discuss these two functions at a time. So let us see here. S is equal to, I was giving here India. S dot is lower. So now it will be true. S is equal to, for suppose I was giving here India. So S dot is upper. So is upper. Now also it is going to return true. But if you are giving S is equal to India, uh, you are giving yes dot is upper. Now it is going to return false. Understood or not? So is upper is lower means it should not convert the data, but it will check whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. So that is the reason it is going to return a boolean value. What it is going to return? A boolean value. Okay. You will write down here examples or word document examples. Which one you will write? Huh? So write down. Is lower, is upper. Examples you can write down here that you people said that now. I think here to here you can write down. Completed. Huh? So next we are going to discuss here is space method. Which method? Is space method. So let us see here. What is is space method? For suppose you are giving double quotations s dot is space method. Okay. So now it is going to return false. Space does not contain in the double quotations. If you are giving some word, for suppose hello world. Okay, see, after quotations I have given space, and in between of the strings you are giving a space. Okay, so then also s dot is space. Okay, so again it is going to return false. Yes is equal to, if I am giving only space, yes dot is space, again it is going to return true value. Understood or not? So the string should contain only space. It does not contain any string with spaces also it won't consider. In double quotations it should have only space. Okay, so that is nothing but is space method, right? Completed. So next one is nothing but length. Did you written examples? Easy space examples did you written? Okay, fine. So next one is nothing but length. So length is nothing but including space. It will find out how many characters are there in the string. Okay. For suppose if I am giving hello world, yes is equal to I was giving here hello world. Okay. So length of yes, so how many characters you are having? 11 characters. Okay. Or if you are giving any bigger string, today we are discussing strings. So length of yes. So you are getting 31 characters. So like that you can find out the length. If you are giving some space between double quotations, if you are giving length of s also, it will consider one character. Okay. Write down. Is length method. Write down. Length method. Completed. So next we are going to discuss here lower and upper. What we need to discuss here, lower and upper. So what is lower and what is upper? So let us see here. I was giving here s is equal to India. So yes dot you are giving here upper function. So India, so s is equal to yes dot you need to take here lower. Okay. So for suppose if you are giving s is equal to India is a country. So now s dot is lower. So it will uppercase will be converted into lowercase. Lowercase will remain same. So next s is equal to you are taking here same string you can take. So no need to use s dot is upper. Sorry, I am using just S dot lower. See, it will convert uppercase into lowercase. Lowercase will remain same. S dot upper. So uppercase string will be present in uppercase, but remaining string will be present in uppercase. Okay. So like that you are going to implement lower and upper functions. Completed or not? So next we are going to see here starts with. What is the next function we are going to see here? Starts with. So how we can implement? So let us see here. S is equal to, for suppose I am giving here India national language. India national language is Hindi. What we are going to call it as an Hindi. So I was given S1 is equal to India and S2 is equal to, I was giving here language. Okay. So S dot you need to take here starts with of S1. So India is a word which is present in the starting of the string, so it is going to return true value. Which value? True value. For suppose if you are taking here yes dot starts with of yes 2. So it is going to return false. Language is a word which is present in middle of the string, but it is not present in the starting of the string. So that is nothing but starts with. Write down. Write down this example. Online, everybody completed. Online.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So next we are going to see here swap case. What we are going to see here swap case. So what is swap case here? Swap case means so yes is equal to for suppose I was giving here hello world. Okay. So s dot you need to take here swap case. What we need to take here swap case. Uppercase will be converted into lowercase, lowercase will be converted into uppercase. So that is nothing but what we are calling it as a swap case. Okay, right. What is swap case? Completed, huh? Everyone, did you complete it? Okay, so next R strip and L strip. What we are going to discuss here? R strip and L strip and strip function. So let us see here. I am going to take here R strip and L strip. So S is equal to, so I was giving some, I am giving some spaces and I was giving here India some spaces. So you are giving S dot R strip of, you need to give a space here. So then it will remove right side spaces. If you are giving L strip of quotation, so then it will remove left side spaces. If you are giving S is equal to some special characters, you are giving like this India, and you can give here some percentage note, so you can give some ampersand symbols. So S dot R strip of, you are giving here percentage symbol. So right side you are not having percentage, no, so it was not removing anything. Yes dot R strip of, if you are giving here ampersand, then it will remove all the ampersands which are present on the right side, which are present on the right side. It was removing or not. In the same way, yes dot L strip of, you are giving here percentage. So now it was removing left side percentages or not. So like that you can represent L strip and R strip. Right. L strip and R strip. Completed. You will write these examples. Write down these examples if anybody. Don't write these two lines. Completed, huh? Completed. Okay. So next we are going to see here strip function. So strip is not present here, but I am discussing. So let us see here. Strip means, for suppose s is equal to quotations, you need to give some space, India some space. So yes dot, you need to take here strip of some space. So then it will retrieve both side spaces. In the same way, S is equal to percentage India, and then again you are going to take here percentage. S dot strip of. So you need to remove here percentage. Understood or not? Strip means from both the ends it will remove the common data. Okay, na? Write down example. Repeated characters, that may be anything, space, characters, or any special character, anything. But in strip function, you need to mention the characters, repeated characters, what you are having, that you have to mention. Okay. Completed, everyone, did you completed or not? Completed? Okay. So by this string methods are completed. How many methods are there? I told you no yesterday. Totally we are having 18 methods. Online everybody understood? You are having any doubts in string methods? Online.
No, ma'am, I understood everything.
Okay. So next we are going to discuss arrays topic. Which topic we need to discuss here? Arrays. So tell me, what is an array? Array is nothing but a fixed size of elements. It will store elements in contiguous memory location. How you are storing array element? How you are storing string elements? In the same way we can store array elements. Okay. In arrays, we can perform positive indexing and negative indexing. What we can represent? Positive indexing and negative indexing. So in C language, how you can represent an array? Int a of 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In Python, you can represent list type of data. So list will be used as an array in Python. So if you want to use real arrays in Python, okay, if you want to use real arrays in Python, then we can use NumPy module. Which module we can use? NumPy module. Okay. And here I already told you. Here it will contain positive indexing and negative indexing. For suppose see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are array elements which are stored in a variable a of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can be called it as an positive indexing 0 to n minus 1. Negative indexing means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So negative indexing will be taken from minus n to minus 1. Okay. So like that you can perform positive indexing and negative indexing. So it is a collection of similar type of data. So arrays are represented with how we can represent arrays. Arrays can be represented by using list concept. So here it can perform positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing values will be taken from 0 to n minus 1, but negative indexing will be taken from minus n to minus 1. Okay na? So like that we can represent arrays. So what is the use with the arrays? It can reduce the program size. What is the purpose of arrays? It can reduce the program size. Okay na? So at a time you can store elements in contiguous memory location. So yesterday I told you or not how strings are stored in adjacent memory locations. In the same way, arrays also stored in adjacent. See, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5. So that is nothing but you are storing elements in adjacent memory locations or not. So this is all about your arrays. Which topic? Arrays. Okay, right. Completed? Can I scroll it? Completed. Completed. So we will discuss examples at 11 o'clock. Okay, now we'll discuss examples in the 11 o'clock class. Today also we are having class at 11 o'clock or not? We will discuss. Okay, take rest. Assignment programs I need to give now. How many assignment programs still we've completed? Five I think, right? So I will give you remaining also. Sixth one is nothing but write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations using elif ladder. In first condition, you need to write down uh, addition. In second, if elif condition, you need to do subtraction. Third elif condition, you need to write down multiplication, then division, then modulo. Okay, and write a program to print Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? Every time you need to consider the previous value. Okay, see, initially you need to take 0 1. So 0 plus 1 means it will take 1. 1 plus 1 means again it will take 2. 2 plus 1 means again it will take 3. So 3 plus 2 means again it will take 5 value. Okay. So these two programs for tomorrow's class. Okay. Na? So do assignment program and submit in the WhatsApp group. Okay. I share it in the WhatsApp group questions. Okay, na? So submit the programs by today evening. Okay. Okay. If you want sit here, you can sit here. You both are added in the SQL group or not? Huh? You need to talk to them. Why? They are already added in that group. So you both go and inform to them. Okay. Okay. Bye. We will meet it again 11 o'clock.